Yeah, we back. This time with the killers, y'all. You know, Tariq and Kevin died.
This time.
Alright, wait, so Kevin, you're Leatherface?
Yeah.
Alright, so then Kenny, you and me need to stick together. It'll be better if we hunt them together.
Damn, sliced her ass up.
Where's the gore? She should have split in half.
Right?
Alright. Kenny, where you at? I'm in parking lot.
I'm in the windmill.
In the windmill?
How the hell did those
You telling me I can't run?
Should have been more careful.
That nigga can't run.
LB is LB. But the killers is LB.
You motherfuckers in here?
I need blood if I can hurry up and give it to Grandpa.
Yeah, I do too.
Dang, I just lagged. What the? Well, you can't. That motherfucker's gonna be able to get through here. We don't get them. I'm telling you. I got blood. I'm about to give it to him.
Thank you.
Just destroying doors and shit. He's the worst person to play as. Unless you're really good with him.
So it doesn't do that cutscene for us. It only does it for them.
Alright, I'll put a trap at the generator.
Alright, good.
And I'm gonna put a trap in front of the exit over here.
Then you gotta feed them that much?
Alright,
you only got 15, bro. I can't even find this shit.
They can't get out of the
parking lot. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, somebody gotta wake up Grandpa first.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what the?
Alright,
then the bucket's empty. There we go. Victim woke him up.
You might open the door or something?
They spawned me all the way back here with every door locked.
I'm locking that.
Fuck sense was I made?
Kevin, I'm in the basement.
This will be over by now. I better go feed them.
I don't even think they down there. I couldn't find no fucking body. Let me feed Grandpa though. Let me break all this shit. Break all this shit, gas.
Oh, I'm genius. I'm putting this trap inside the foliage so they won't be able to see it.
Is that Kevin still down here?
No, I'm upstairs.
Bro, I have no idea where I'm at. I just collected blood.
What level are they?
I don't fucking know.
They all what's the face though?
I don't even know where Grandpa at, bro.
That's what I'm trying to find his ass.
He's in the tool storage upstairs.
Yeah, I'm upstairs.
How the fuck is that nigga upstairs?
Now help us.
He's always upstairs.
You upstairs, Kevin?
I'm up here too. I'm talking about
over here, Kevin. In the tool storage.
I hear Kevin. I'm right here.
Right here, Kevin. You right here.
Yeah. Okay, so we all together. Alright. Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck, bro?
Oh, he in there.
He right here. Yeah, I'm feeding him.
Let me destroy this shit. Oh.
Remember, there's 4 ways out.
I don't know them.
Kevin, stop playing with me, because if that shit glitch, I'd have been mad as You're right here, son, right here. You're right here.
I don't know where right here.
Right here by me. The facility thing. Yeah, get up there.
Got her ass. Good shit, Eddie. Good shit.
Sonny went into that thing.
Yeah, here.
No, over here.
Lead the way, boss man.
You stay out there, Kevin.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa some more blood.
Oh, where'd he go?
He going down. He going down.
Then we got 1 already.
I had 81. Shit.
Penny,
Well, that should boost our level, right?
I think he climbed down here.
We gotta get some more blood. Alright, that's still locked.
I'm coming back up.
Alright, come back
some
up.
more,
Hey, did one of y'all just touch this gate?
Nah, that
Yeah, I
thing
shut
was
it.
yeah.
Oh, that's Kevin. Never mind.
Damn,
You lock
both
that? I'm about
is
to lock
hungry
it.
again,
I'm
but I got a
gonna
lot
lock
for
it.
you, Grandpa. I got a lot.
Hey, you
A lot
got
of blood for you.
Where the fuck is these niggas at, man?
They haven't- I don't think they
They
came
probably
up yet.
downstairs, and then what's the face?
Yeah, none of them came up yet.
Did anybody lock them doors over here?
I locked as
Probably
many
not.
doors as I could.
As long as we lock them, we good. Unlocking those. Okay, that's locked.
This is gonna be easy.
I'm feeding this
It's
motherfucker.
locked over here.
Oh, I just saw them over here.
Yeah,
Exterior.
up top.
I look in the grass now since I'm like,
Where? I don't know where you at. I'm over here with Kevin.
That's
Oh,
Oh,
he's over here with the chickens.
Tariq, where you at?
Right here.
Where? I don't see it.
That's all to you, Spit.
I'm literally right across from you. Where the chicken bargain? Look, you see? Look, turn around.
Oh, I see. They over here, like straight somewhere. I just saw somebody go down somewhere. I thought Johnny was able to go through the cracks and stuff. He's not able to do shit.
Oh, yeah, they probably over there then.
Yeah, check the freaking wood, the foliage.
Getting
Oh, this would be some
blood.
scary ass shit. Let me destroy this shit.
Remember, look in the grass and stuff. I'm gonna act like I
That's
didn't
what
see
I'm
him, and then I'm gonna whistle face. Then I'm gonna kill him. Right here, got him. Yo, he right here. I'm act like I didn't see him. Yo, Kev, he right over here. He right there. Get his ass in the corner. Get his ass.
Y'all gotta block
Get his ass.
from
Can
me.
he get it?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, bitch.
Yeah, over here.
We come. I'm stuck. Hold up. I'm
Where you
still in
at?
the
Where you
kill
at,
effect.
Tariq?
Oh, I'm in this back slaughterhouse area.
Axe Slaughterhouse. Where the fuck-
Oh yeah, Grandpa, I'm about to.
Cause the black one's up here.
It only takes fast.
Yeah, he running.
see him?
Yeah, y'all see
You
him?
see him running?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he coming towards y'all. He's coming towards y'all. Get his ass. He's coming out the door.
I see you. Come here, nigga.
No, he went over.
Oh, what the fuck? No, my shit. No, Kenny, he's coming out the door. This shit stalled on me, bro.
I got him, man. Come here, man.
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Ain't no way you can run. At least he wasn't the first. Yo, he went on the other side. He went outside. I'm acting like I didn't see him.
Johnny, get your head
Just kill his ass.
I see him. Yo, Kev.
What?
Kev, come here. I know where he went. Yo, where y'all
Hey,
at?
where you at?
I'm over by the exterior. I see him. How do y'all
I'm in
make...
the exterior too.
Right here. He right in this corner. Where y'all at?
Hold up. Let me destroy this.
I'm over here at Grandpa. I'm at Grandpa.
Where you at, Kenny?
I'm right at the exterior. You gotta come over here.
I'm at the
Right where that chicken was at.
Oh,
Right
I know
where the
you are. I
chicken
know
at?
you are.
Yo, I see him. Yo. Over here. So you ready to gang him up? Over here, Tariq. Where you going?
I know.
y'all
I'm going this way.
He's in the grass over here.
Oh, alright. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, come back. Yo,
That
Tariq, you
girl
right
is
here.
doing
Tariq, you
good.
right here.
Where the fuck
Tariq,
is
in the
he,
grass. He's in the
bro?
grass. You see him? Get him.
Where you go?
He over here.
I see his ass.
Yeah,
I
boy.
see your ass.
He going this.
Oh, he tried to
Ain't no way you can go.
That boy tried to run.
No, he leave it. Kevin, go inside.
I can't. I don't know where to go.
He right here. I got him.
He really tried to run, bro.
He going upstairs. Yo, he going by the ladder. He going down the ladder.
Hurry up, get him.
He going down the ladder. Y'all see the ladder? He coming.
Get him, Cletus.
Yeah. Hey, big boy. Come here, big boy. We got him surrounded. He can't come down here.
I'm gonna go up.
Leatherface, you come up here. Tariq, you stay down there. Because Leatherface got to
Wait,
destroy
no,
this
no, no.
thing.
I'm right here, Kenny.
Kevin, you got to come.
I'm
Oh,
right by the
damn.
ladder. I'm right by
Oh,
the
it
ladder.
requires Leatherface.
Yeah, Tariq, you go down there.
Yeah,
Kevin, come up here.
I'm going back.
Because you got to destroy the thing, Kev.
He's trapped. Yo, that's
come on, hurry up,
hilarious.
Where you at?
I'm right here. I'm right here. He's
Alright, hurry up,
We
Kev.
gotta find that girl though.
We gonna find her.
Where the fuck is she at?
Oh yeah, this is funny. This is too funny.
Kev, hurry up.
I'm coming.
Once you do that, I'm gonna go downstairs a little bit with Tariq. Tariq, you stay there.
I'm watching him. He watching me, bro. He watching me.
Alright, go. If he try to leave, Kev, then he go down the ladder.
He going down there. He going down there. He about to go down there.
I'm right here, bro. I'm right here.
Kevin, go ahead and finish him. If he try to escape, I got him.
Come on, bro. Where you going?
I got him.
Get him.
I got him. Lights them. Tariq, he coming down.
Motherfucker, you said you got him.
Again.
Go that way. Go that way, Tariq. Go that way. Follow him. I'm going this way. I'm gonna cut him off.
Bro, right here.
He stopped Tariq.
He in the thing now? But we gonna let that girl escape or something.
No, the girl over here. The girl over here at the window.
Kenny.
He dipped on me. Yeah. Get his ass.
Got him. Kill the bitch. Kill the bitch.
Where's she at?
He over there with Kenny.
Where's she at, Kenny?
I don't know. She was just over there.
She over here. I'm about to go get Grandpa his shit.
Bro, she was just over here.
I think he's on level 4, isn't he? He about to be level 4?
About to be.
Right here. Got her. Get that motherfucker. Get her.
Oh shit! I see
Are you
her.
serious? Are you serious?
She went
She
down
dropped
now.
She went downstairs.
Oh, you bitch!
Get that
I'm
motherfucker.
going down there. No, actually, fuck it. Don't go down there. Wait for her to come back up.
I'm gonna feed Grandpa. Then I'm going. Kevin, you go down there. I'm gonna feed Grandpa. She gotta move somewhere.
I'm about to feed him too.
How much you got?
I got 38.
I had 49.
81. Alright, feed
Grandpa's
him.
hungry again. That nigga greedy as shit.
He about to be level 5.
Yeah.
I'll be about to be mad.
I'm about to just leave. I'm about to just stay up here and just wait till he.
No,
hungry.
feed him.
Feed
I got
him.
some blood too. You want me to feed him?
I'm feeding him
Yeah,
now.
feed
Let's
him.
see. See what level he be on.
She really was lurking, bro.
Now there's nowhere she can hide.
Where she at?
Wait,
I see her
what?
ass.
Oh, she right there. She right there.
Oh, I see her. Alright, yeah.
Got her.
Oh yeah. I heard.
Got her. Nah, don't run. Don't run.
Got
her. Got her. Got her.
Get your ass, bitch.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Kill everybody, baby.
We play better together as some fucking killers.
Yeah. Reach family bond to maximum and keep it there for the whole match.
Damn, that shit boosted me up a little bit. God,
Yeah, that thing give you a lot of XP.
Let's
that shit
go.
gave me 3,000, Kenny.
That's what I'm
Let's
I got a
saying.
kill. Kenny got 2. Tariq got 1. We all got a kill.
Look, hey.
We never stop, yo, we wantin' more. Bringing action, shooting with the sport. Sit downs, counting down till the lights come on. Opinions get drawn, all out, knowledge born. Black Gamers Round Table.